Hey, welcome to SWG's Woodworking channel. Today we're going to be building a cool jigs. I got the lovely Shamane here helping me. She's going to be doing some learning. I'm going to be teaching her. So if you want to watch the video, stick around, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Go. So how I was taught. So we want to go 2 7/8. And so I need a different ruler. So this side of the ruler has 32nds and 8ths on it, or 64ths, so 8ths are on this side. So 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7/8 is the 8th right after the, or right before the next big number.
That
that's 7/8. Yep. Yep, that's 7/8. So just bring your fence over, and you get your tooth that's pointing. Line it up. Okay, now lock it down.
right there.
With the right handle.
Lock it down.
And then after it's locked down, you double check.
Is it locked down?
Yeah, it's tight. Then you double check it. On the top, in the front, on the top. Okay. So, when you're ripping, it's like we were showing you yesterday. You want to keep it up against your fence and really taking any off. Push it all the way through.
All right.
So let's make sure we.
So we're doing that with all of them.
Yeah, we're doing that with all of them, and we're right on the money.
Nice.
But you see how I kept my hand here, and then it just slid it through.
Yep.
So if you want to try one.
Okay.
Okay, now move this hardman out of the way. Yep.
And then do the next one.
Yeah, do the next one. You want to keep down pressure. I think that one got messed up.
What?
Look, it's narrow. It got messed up. See, it's narrow on that end.
Yeah.
Or,
What do we do?
nothing you can do. It's wrecked.
Okay.
See how I keep my fingers? One finger on top to hold it down, and then each hand is keeping this against the fence. And then you just go through. Wow, that one was that the first one? I think that was the first one. much smaller it is. It's almost a 16th.
Smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So
Yep.
fortunately we got an extra
Yes.
piece. So go grab the extra piece, we'll cut it down.
All right.